Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you honest, expert insights on products that fit into your daily self-care routine. Today, I've got something a little different but super important: replacement toothbrush heads from Philips Sonicare. If you're serious about oral care, you know a quality toothbrush head makes all the difference. This is the Philips Sonicare Optimal Plaque Control Replacement Toothbrush Heads model HX924/65. They come in a pack of 4, designed to work with all Philips Sonicare click-on rechargeable toothbrush handles. These heads promise up to 7 times more plaque removal compared to manual brushing, thanks to a power tip that zeroes in on plaque along your gum line. They also feature BrushSync technology, which pairs with compatible handles like the Diamond Clean Smart or Protective Clean to remind you when it's time for a replacement. Now, brushing might sound basic, but the right head and technology can seriously elevate your oral hygiene game. I've been using these heads for a few weeks, swapping them into my Sonicare handle to get a real feel for how they perform day to day. What stood out right away was the gentle but thorough cleaning action. The power tip really does a great job reaching those tricky spots along the gum line, areas where plaque tends to build up and cause problems. The bristles feel soft yet firm enough to give a confident clean without irritating sensitive gums, which is crucial for anyone prone to sensitivity or gum issues. Integrating these replacement heads into my routine was effortless. Since I already had a compatible handle, clicking the heads on was a breeze. The BrushSync replacement reminder is a smart little feature that takes the guesswork out of when to swap heads. It syncs with the handle and lets you know automatically, so you never overuse a worn-out brush head, which can reduce cleaning effectiveness and potentially damage gums. I tested these in both morning and evening routines, and even after meals, the heads maintained that fresh, just cleaned feeling. On the flip side, if you don't own a BrushSync compatible handle, you won't get the replacement reminders, which might make it a little less convenient. But the cleaning performance remains top-notch regardless. So what are the highlights? The brush heads offer excellent plaque removal, a gentle yet effective brushing experience, and the added tech-driven reminder is a handy bonus. The downside? The price point is higher than basic electric toothbrush heads, which could be a consideration if you're on a tight budget. Also, those who don't have a BrushSync handle won't benefit from the reminder feature, so the smart tech is somewhat tied to owning specific Philips models. When comparing these heads to other electric toothbrush replacements on the market, Philips Sonicare continues to lead with a solid balance of innovation and dental professional backing. Competitors might offer cheaper alternatives, but few match the combination of plaque removal efficiency and smart technology integration. Oral-B heads, for example, are often slightly less expensive, but don't have the same targeted gumline tip or syncing features. The packaging feels sturdy and well-made. The heads snap firmly into place on the handle, and the materials used are durable. Philips recommends replacing these heads every 3 months, and with BrushSync, it's easier to stay on track, which helps maintain the effectiveness and hygiene of your brushing. I haven't personally had to contact customer service for these, but Philips as a brand is well regarded in the oral care space for responsiveness and support if you do have questions or issues. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, some generic compatible brush heads exist, but they often compromise on material quality and cleaning power. For those invested in Philips Sonicare's system, sticking to genuine replacement heads is worth the investment for consistent, reliable performance. In summary, these Philips Sonicare Optimal Plaque Control Replacement Heads deliver on their promise of superior plaque removal with the added benefit of tech-enabled maintenance reminders. They're best suited for anyone using a compatible Philips Sonicare toothbrush who values precision cleaning along the gum line and appreciates smart features that make oral care easier. If your goal is to maintain top-level dental hygiene and you don't mind the price for quality and convenience, these are a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find a link to purchase these replacement heads in the description below. If you've already tried them, Drop a comment, I'd love to hear how they work for you. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.